Sage Achyutanand Das, the 15th century eminent seer, prophesied that falsehood and immorality, representing the quintessence of this age, will reign all over the end of the Kali Yuga. The republican form of government will render the monarchy obsolete, leaving the kings helpless and languishing. Bold and fearless, the young guys and girls of this time will wander around in groups and be quick to indulge in unsacred relationships. They will be filled with lustful thoughts and will often defy their elders and well-wishers. In-laws will be overpowered by their daughters and sons-in-law and, at times, will submit to their terms. Even the other elders of the family will stay humble and dare not hurt their egos.